Sanibonani ngithemba ukuthi niphilile. Nawo futhi omunye umbuzo ekufanele ngiwudirector ku-minister, especially laba abakhuluma indaba yokuthi South Africans are not qualified and they don't have enough experience to occupy certain positions. Hence, like South Africa kune-skill shortage, ba-expedite ama-visa for iy'kili zo-IT, no engineering, no health nakho konke lokho. Bese kumbuzo engiwubuzayo, mhla niqasha iy'ngane zakini niy'faka komasipala for amaposta level 7 kuya ku-level 8 zisuke zinasiphi skill. Mbuzo number 1 mlowo. Bese kuthi-ke nina-ke, because you guys are decision makers, you hold some of the highest offices of this country, ni-influence policy, nina empeleni nibhala ama-policy niwaphasise nenze yonke into. What skills do these ministers have that qualifies them for lama position abakuwo? For example, nje uminister waka Home Affairs uhlulwe ukubona ukuthi yena usurroundwe ezimpisi. Uhlulwe ukubona ukuthi nje usurroundwe ezimpisi. All of these people serve ama organization outside of all members of his advisory board are serving and working with organizations that are pushing ukuthi South Africa ibe nama porous borders, that are pushing for policies that enable just about anyone to come into this country and take up positions. You understand? That do, in fact, he in his own panel of advisories uhlulekile ukubona ukuthi he's surrounded by foreigners. Uhlulukele ukubonile ukuthi these people, because by virtue of being not of this country, they will not prioritize abantu bakuleli izwe that voted him into office. Ukuthi uyi-DA, ukuthi uyi-ANC, ukuthi uyini, but ukusala it's ordinary South Africans that are voters, black or white, that voted him into that office. But he failed to recognize ukuthi there's a problem with his advisory board. There's a conflict of interest with his advisory board. Uyambona ukuthi lowo muntu automatically akaqualify ukuba uminister because he can barely see what is right in front of him. Yet they will speak about skills. His department is expediting a visa for so-called scarce skills. Yeah, now he himself needs a scarce skill. Nathi should find ba import or minister. They understand alone. That means we must get ministers from outside because he himself on his own advisory board, Minister of Home Affairs, he failed to see ukuthi uhleli nezimpisi. He failed to see that people serving on his advisory board are anti-country, are anti-South Africa. Abameli South Africa. And that is not the only minister. Minister of Education, uhluleke ukubona ukuthi all these varsities have foreign national teachers. That means the people that are there do not have a vested interest in the future of this country, automatically by virtue of being foreign. Why would a foreigner train your kids to be better than them? Why would a foreigner have a vested interest of a positive outcome of a future in this country for the children of this country? You understand, Leon? It doesn't take someone who's a genius to see and recognize that no, by virtue of you being a foreign and leading a faculty, that means when you're going to look out for foreign students, you will not prioritize South African students. Noma vele lento yobuzwe anayo. You guys do not have utando, the love of this country. You do not have a vested interest. What's the point of having ministers that don't have a vested interest in the future of the children of this country? You understand, Leon? What's the point of having Minister of Education who department harisha mostly foreign nationals, especially in higher positions, especially in higher institutions of learning? We have that problem. Siya Minister of Health, all of those ministers I'm counting, it's a show of a skills deficit. But it's not even a show of skills deficit, it's just a show of lack of common sense. You lack common sense. You're not a patriot of this country. You understand? You are counter-revolutionary. Another minister of health. How can there be more foreign health workers in your own system? And then you have a vested interest with these people who will have a vested interest of your own, on the success of your own country. Why would someone boost another country to be successful? Why would they not keep you dependent on their labor? You understand, Leon? From across the board, why would they actually champion your matters as a country? Why are you not hiring South Africans? All of you ministers. Why is it advisory board as a Home Affairs doesn't have colored people from Cape Town, doesn't have Ndebele people? Why doesn't it have even ama chiefs inkosi ayizohlala kulawo advisory board and actually advise about indaba immigration? You guys are intentionally crippling South Africa. You are intentional. In fact, all of these ministers that I just mentioned, I don't even know their names. To me, they don't seem like patriots. To me, they don't seem like good office bearers because they don't even have common sense. Nibe nosuku oluhle. Nyanye kabi nje kulezi insuku, nyanye ngiyafa, ngiyaqhuma, ngiyanyanya nje yonke into.